If you want to edit photos like Lightroom but using Serif Affinity photo, you just need to use the develop persona correctly. Let's see how this works. So you can just open a raw photo and not JPEG. Affinity automatically switches to develop mode, which is basically its version of Lightroom's editing panel. Then use the right panel sliders in this order for best results: exposure, black point, brightness, contrast, shadows, and highlights. This mimics the same correction flow photographers use in Adobe Lightroom. Then scroll down to the white balance. Then just fine-tune saturation and vibrance. Always fix white balance before color grading. That's a pro workflow rule. Then use clarity for mid-tone contrast. Then open the details section and increase sharpening slightly. Don't overdo it, small adjustments look more natural. Click Develop at the top. This applies all raw adjustments and moves you into the main editor. Then save your settings as a preset so you can reuse them like Lightroom presets. That's how to use Affinity Photo like Lightroom for fast professional edits. If this helped, don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.